Let's go. How you doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So I just thought of giving you guys a quick update on yesterday's setup that I previously sent on the channel, right? So as you can see here in the previous video, we said that we do want to see gold coming. The market was like currently somewhere around here. We said we do want to see gold coming back to this zone right over here and giving us a nice rejection, then pushing up to the upside to the this resistance zone right there. Then if it happens that it doesn't come back down here, all we want to do, or all we want to see, is a push up, break out of this zone right here, a retest back onto the zone, and a further on push up to this zone. And we also did mention that if neither of these two setups happens, right, we do want to see gold breaking out of this little trend line that we drew here and breaking out of this zone right here, right, breaking out of this zone, shooting down, and what, giving us a slight retracement back into this area right here, giving us a nice rejection. Then we can catch sales to this current zone. And as you can see that gold did break out of this zone right here, but it didn't break out with like mass confirmation or like, you know, momentum or whatnot, but it did form some sort of a consolidation below this area right over here, right below this area right over here. This consolidation, as you guys can see right here, that's like some form of a consolidation, if you can see and spot it, right. Then did give us a nice candlestick down. This is in the 1 hour time frame, by the way. Then it did give us a nice push down, but since tomorrow is XAUUSD, the markets were not moving very volatile. It was pretty much a slow day, if you ask me. So right now, currently, as you guys can see, that the market pushed down right here. So the best opportunities that we can look forward to is either getting, okay, so the best opportunities we can look for is either getting a retracement back up, but it wouldn't be today, obviously. It would be like tomorrow, before, just before XAUUSD, a retracement back into this area here, giving us a nice rejection, then a nice push down back into this thing. But if it happens that tomorrow it doesn't give us that retracement down, what we can do is just look at the lower zones, right. We can just go zoom out and check the lower zones. And I did mention that earlier on in my other video, that what, this current level over here, this current zone here, is what is calling the market, most likely what is calling the market below, right. It's a key point of interest, if you ask me. As you guys can see over there, it did form such a big candlestick here with imbalance, right. There's such a big imbalance candlestick right over here. As you guys can see, let me just draw my thing right over here, give us a big candlestick here, and this gap has to be filled. But whenever it has, okay, this gap has to be filled generally. So this is what is called dropping the market, and this is like generally what is bringing the market down right now, or it's acting like a magnet to the market, right. But other than that, we do also have a zone right here, this zone, which is a 3333 level over there. As you can see, that was a nice key resistance zone, right. We got a nice consolidation right here, not consolidation, right, but we got a nice slow trend line right here that we had earlier on, right. Then it got to this level over there, then the market got to this level over here, right, got to this level over here, then kind of like gave us a consolidation on this thing and gave us a nice push down, forming a nice resistance zone, right. Just over here, got the market got to this area just here, right, then gave us a nice push down, what, indicating that what, this is a nice rejection zone and a nice resistance zone. Then we later on got a break out of this resistance zone right there. So what can happen right now is that what, the market is coming back down to let me just delete this. So what is happening right now, what is happening right now is that what, the market is coming back down to this zone right over here, to what, come and retest this zone. So what we can also look forward to is what, the market reaching out to this zone right over here. So let's just draw our another box right there, to show our trend line. So what can happen is that what the market can either reach this zone right here, this zone right here. So this can be one of our POIs, right? This is another POI that we can look forward to and give us a slight rejection and a nice push to maybe the second zone right there, then maybe start consolidating within this zone right here. So that can be one of our POIs, first POIs after the trend line. Then also, as you see, we mustn't also forget this level that we see in this current, what do they call it, a demand zone, this current demand zone, right? This current demand zone. So I'm just going to leave this for right there for now, but I'm just going to change the color just to show us that what this is also a key level that we may be looking forward to. And also, if just zooming in the charts, also if you can just check, we had a downtrend, right? We had a nice downtrend, right? Then we had the market, let me just draw it out. We had a nice downtrend, right? Breaking structure to the downside, right? Downtrend coming to the trend line, right? I'm just gonna start from there. Then we got a nice push up, right? Break out of this trend line right there. Then now what we can get is a retracement back, retesting this trend line or this area or this zone right here. Then that's when we can see our movements continuing going up, right? That's when we can also see our movements continuing going up. So for now, we said that we have let me just delete this. So for now, we say that we're looking forward, these are the two zones that we're looking forward to. It's either the market can come back to this, we get a small 500 point movement going up, or a nice 1000 point movement going up. We have this zone right here, zone number 1, and we have this zone number 2 that is currently calling the market down. So let's just see how the market reacts to these two zones right there. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Let's just see how it goes. And if you're still watching, thank you for watching. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. It will help a lot on my side, and it will help you as much as it will help me. So yeah, thank you.